Hey guys, welcome back to Cabbage Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare your pink salmon with cabbage. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Cabbage Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CalliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Cabbage Kitchen. So here I have half of cabbage that I'm going to use, and I also have my pink salmon, and I believe you can get this pink salmon in any of your local supermarket or grocery store. Alright, so I'm going to go in and chop up my cabbage, not too big and not too small. Medium size will work, alright, because remember, once you cook your cabbage, then it's going to shrink. I also went ahead and chopped up my onion, my French thyme, my tomatoes, some scallion and some garlic and some scotch bonnet pepper that I'm going to use in this recipe, alright? So while I'm doing this, I put my pot on the stove with a small amount of vegetable oil. Remember, you can always go ahead and use olive oil if you have olive oil at home, alright, instead of the vegetable oil. And for the pink salmon, I am gonna go ahead and open it and put it in a bowl, so when I'm ready to use it, then you know it's at my convenience. So as you can see, I went ahead and add my onion, my scotch bonnet pepper, all of that seasoning, and I'm gonna saute this for about a minute or two, because we don't want our vegetables to be too soft. Alright, we want it to be really crunchy. Listen, if you're gonna cook cabbage, guys, listen, don't make it too soft. Alright, 7 minutes, cabbage ready. So now that my vegetables, they're all sauteed and looking lovely, I'm gonna go in and add my chopped cabbage. And I also wanted to add some of the all-purpose seasoning and just a small amount of black pepper. Yes, I will go in and add that just to give it some taste. Remember, you can always go ahead and add a small amount of salt just to boost up the taste of your cabbage. Alright? As you all can see, I added just a small amount of anchor butter as well, and I'm going to go in and add the all-purpose seasoning, as I said earlier, and the black pepper, and then I'm going to combine all of that together and cover it and leave it for roughly about 3 minutes on low heat. Remember, as I said earlier, cabbage takes 7 minutes to cook. No long thing, no soft cabbage. You want our cabbage to be really crunchy and nice. So we're just gonna cover this and I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So this is my cabbage, guys. As you can see, it's all cooking. As I said earlier, you see my cabbage shrink, so we didn't need to cut it up any smaller. So I'm going to go in and add the pink salmon, and of course, you know that there's a bone in the salmon, so I'm going to remove it. Sometimes, you know, I don't remove the bone because, I mean, it's there, and sometimes I just can't be bothered, but you guys can always go in and remove the salmon. And of course, we're going to crush it in small pieces and combine both the salmon and the cabbage together. Alright, and once you do all of that, I'm going to cover it and I'm going to leave it for another 2 minutes, and then it's all ready. You can go ahead and serve this with some rice, or you can just serve it up with some bananas or some yam, whatever you have at home. Remember to be creative, remember to be you, and just utilize whatever you have at home. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my pink salmon and cabbage. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and guys, remember to share this video, remember to leave a comment, and remember to like. Let's go. We're on our way to 4K subscribers, and I want to take you guys with me. Bye.